Hello, in this video I want to give a tutorial on how to do 3D tracking in After Effects. First, open your After Effects, and import your videos into the project. Double-click on your video. A new layer will open. Now, mark the beginning and end of your video by pressing the Mark In and Mark Out button. If it is already, drag the video in the project to the New Composition button, and a new composition will open. This is my video footage. Now, go to Effects and Presets. Then search for 3D camera tracking. Or, you can also go to the tracker window and push the track camera button, and wait until after the effect is finished tracking the camera. If you have finished it, then a lot of tracking points will appear here. All you have to do is select and click on the track point. And you right-click, then choose Make Camera and Text. And you can see that text appears here. Now I want to change the size and position of this text. To change the size, click S. To change the text, double-click on the text. To change the position, click P. And now you can see that the text follows the camera movements. And this is the final result. And now you can export the video by clicking Ctrl+M. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.